Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day today. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. Real quick, want to take a real quick thank you and shout out to the channel members. Thank each and every one of you. I appreciate you all. And I want to thank anybody who's taken the time out of their day to come in and watch a few minutes of my knife content. I really appreciate it. I do invite you, if you're so inclined, to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon. It would really help me out. So today, I've got kind of a mystery package that has come in. I have an idea from a conversation I had not too long ago that I might know what it is. But let's just do this. Let's see if we can get our razor knife before I have to change blades to actually cut into it. And as you guys know, I'm not the most orthodox unboxer, guys. But, yes, I do know, I think, what this is. And I'm intrigued. I can actually say I am intrigued. So, as you guys know, I have picked up several Divo knives that have come out that they've dropped, with the exception of one. The one that got it all started. And my understanding is this is a prototype that somebody was using, the lefty said to send to me before sending it back. So this is a Divo knives that lefty's let me check out. It's a prototype. Let me get this notes here, what we got. Thanks for taking the time to check out the V2 version of the Divo Stout. This is a prototype, so naturally there'll be some changes. There'll be 6 versions total. OEM Best Tech. The right handle, Purple Haze fat carbon inlays with purple pivot collars. Bead Blast titanium bolsters and satin blade, belt satin. Or Arctic Storm fat carbon inlays with blue pivot collars, Bead Blast titanium bolsters and belt satin blade. Arctic Storm fat carbon inlays with blue pivot collars, Bead Blast titanium bolsters, stonewash blade. White Storm fat carbon inlays with satin pivot collars, DLC titanium bolsters, and a two-tone DLC belt satin blade. It's also going to be available as left-handed with Purple Haze and Arctic Storm, one with the satin blade, one with the stonewashed. Pre-orders open, already happened. Thank you again, blah, blah, blah. Vanex, deep hollow grind. Changes, no filler tab. They'll have a dedicated right and left-hand model. Mill clip will come installed and fit into wire clip slots. Prototype is L-Max. Production will be Vanex. Super clean. All right. And then in here you've got the cool Kevin card, lefty card with their respective Hank picks on the back. I like it. I'll have to make a old Xerox of those, put those in my card carrier. So guys, I checked out the V1 Stout at Blaze Show for a very short time. And like I told you guys, the first kind of high-end Divo I bought was the Buzz, because in my experience, this knife didn't speak to me. I thought it was bigger. So you'll have a mill clip and a wire clip. This is going to go away. It's going to be straight carbon fiber because you're going to have the choice for a left-handed version. Okay. This one's been out. This one's been used. Let's see what she looks like. Elmax is what it's made out of, but it's going to be Vanex. Deep hollow grind. Plenty of bite, plenty of slice. Looks like they did, I don't remember what the version 1 looked like. Looks like a really nice sharpening choil here with plenty of sharpenings. This thing starts about 3/4, a little bit more of the way up, and it is a deep, wicked hollow grind. I can literally almost feel my fingers. This is an unboxing, not an overview. I will do a full overview after I have a little time to experience the knife. Guys, well, this kind of sucks. Well, my argument may be mute. Guys, I will do an overview on this knife, give you my thoughts. I'm not going to put it through any hard paces. I am going to carry it because it does feel very thin. Then I'll do a review on it, and then I'll find out where I have to look for them and at what time I have to be there to try to pick up one on a drop. This has just been a short little experience of this knife. I was underwhelmed by the V1, but I was at Blade Show. I had a lot going on, looking at a lot of different knives, trying to have a conversation with Lefty and Colin while I was playing with some of their knives or checking them out. And if you've ever been to a Blade Show, you know it can be overwhelming. So maybe I just missed, because I know that they did not make the V1 that much worse. This has just got some nice improvements, some different colorways. But that detent and that hollow grind blade and the fact that it's going to be Vanex, not Elmax. Guys, I love it. I'll get some more information on it for you. I will see if there's anything I missed off the letter. But this is the Divo Knives Stout V2. I'm at a loss of words, guys. It's a knife that I always kind of poked fun at. Didn't think too much of it. Didn't get the blade. I totally get the blade. I totally dig the choil, like on all Divo knives. And the action's unlike any I felt on a Divo knife. So that's it. That's my wrap up on my unboxing. Thank you, whoever sent it out. Thank you, Lefty, for giving me the chance to check it out. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. This is a banger, but I'll give you more information. It could fall apart on me. So don't take my advice really ever. But I'll give you my truly objective, what I'm going to do. Buy one is pretty much what I've decided. But maybe something will change that mind. Guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you would, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Holy shit. Sorry, guys. I mean, that's a wicked hollow grind. Where was I? Then please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Please choose debate, not hate. I love y'all. Peace.